If you don't like boring mobs but still play Minecraft, then you need fresh animations. Let's make your game pop with personality. Here's the quickest way to set it up. First, you'll need two things: the Fresh Animations Resource Pack, and either Optifine or both EMF and ETF mods. These mods are what let fresh animations come to life. Go to the official Fresh Animations page and download the version for 1.21.8. Next, download and install Optifine, or EMF and ETF together. Just pick whichever you like best. Open your Minecraft launcher, select the right mod profile, and start the game. Now, go to Options, then Resource Packs. Click Open Pack folder. Drag and drop the Fresh Animations zip file into this folder. Back in Minecraft, find Fresh Animations in the list. Click the arrow to activate, and hit Done. That's it. Enjoy Minecraft with super smooth, lively mobs. Quick recap. Download Fresh Animations, install the right mods, add the pack, and you're set.